equals movie snacks. I'm going to be doing a culinary mashup that might even be better than your favourite chick flick. For this hack, you will need a big bag of popcorn, some chocolate, mini marshmallows, desiccated coconut, and some raspberry lollies, chopped up a bit. First, get a large baking tray and line it with baking paper. Like this. Then, get an adult to melt your chocolate. Thanks, adult. And now, get your popcorn and pour your chocolate all over it. Mix it well to coat all of the popcorn. And while the mixture is still wet, grab your marshmallows and pour them in, your jellies, and your coconut, and mix them all in. I'm a massive fan of Rocky Road, but with this popcorn, it gives out that extra crunch, so I think this may even be better than the real thing. I think it's ready to put on the tray. I'm going to smooth it out on the tray and make sure that it's all connected, kind of like a slice. You can see some of the red lollies and the marshmallows and the coconut, and it's all coated in chocolate. This is going to be so good. Once that's done, you're going to chuck it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Waiting for this is probably the hardest thing about cooking. For you, we're done. Break the popcorn into pieces and chuck it into cups like this. Movie snacks sorted. I'm going to put it out there. This snack is probably better than any movie I've ever watched. Bye, guys!